Hey everyone, Jesse here with Farming in Seattle. I am doing a video today on these perlite plant pots. This is perlite, and we have lava rock in the bottom of these, and so where the water level hits here is where the perlite starts, and these are just used for propagating plants. Right now I have hydrangeas, blackberries, and elderberries in those. So I'm going to replace this section over here with perlite plant tubs, and you can, or I guess a tote. And so that's the tote, and we'll need some lava rock. That's about $5-6 from Home Depot, and then also some perlite, which per 2 cubic feet is about $18 a bag. So I went ahead and got 2 bags. That should cover 2 totes that I'm doing. So first step is we have to wash this lava rock. It is extremely muddy looking, and all this will go in your aquaponics system. So just dump a bag in, a container of some sort. And swish it around as best you can. It's probably best to wash it once or twice, because that's what the water looks like. So I'm just going to swish it around. Kind of gets the rocks moving. You can also use a hoe or a shovel or something and mix it up. And once it's nice and washed, we will have some clean lava rock, and we'll drain all that. The tote itself should be pretty simple. You just want some big holes kind of at the bottom layer, probably a couple on the bottom as well. So I just have a drill bit right here. I'm gonna do just random holes everywhere. And I forget what size drill bit this is, but it's the largest one that I have. And I'll do some holes on the side. And so basically this will allow all the water to pass through, which we need the water level to raise and lower within the system. And I think I'll do one. Okay, so like I said, the bottom level is going to be filled with lava rock, and approximately where the water level is, I'm going to have to go to bed and see where it's at. So approximately a couple inches. So I'll go ahead and load the lava rock up and then add perlite, and then I'll proceed with the next step.